Bubagra Pradyot Kishore met the Minister Sukla Charan Noatia on Monday night regarding the hunger strike, which is going to start from 28 February. He invited all to come and join the hunger strike as Triprasas and not as politicians. While interacting with the media, the Maharaja said the hunger strike is not for the personal benefit or for the party. It is for the people's right to protect and secure the rights of the Triprasa people. He further said the hunger strike is not organized for the party. Rather, it is called by all the indigenous Triprasa people of the state. He himself will sit in the hunger strike as a Triprasa or as a Bubagra, but not as any leader or politician. Which is why the Maharaja has invited all the Triprasa people from all the political parties to come and join the hunger strike as a Triprasa and not as a politicians.
नहीं, because we are not against any political party. हम लोग कोई political party के against नहीं हैं. हम लोग अपना Triprasa का demand रख रहे हैं. कोई political party के against भी नहीं है और कोई political party का demand भी नहीं है. So सब लोग welcome है. हम लोग अपना जनजाति का अपना demand रख रहे हैं गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के सामने. और अगर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया को उचित लगता है तो वो हमारे प्रॉब्लम को एड्रेस करेंगे. तो इसमें अगर हम पॉलिटिक्स ला देंगे तो किसी का सोल्यूशन नहीं मिलेगा. तो मैंने कहा है कि एवरीबडी इज़ वेलकम, बट पॉलिटिकल फ्लैग्स लेकर मत आए. ये जाति का इशू है, पार्टी का नहीं.
And how is the response? Other have contacted from other?
I have contacted and I am still hopeful that the government of India will realize that we are not asking for something which is against the constitution. We are asking for what the government of India itself had promised during the elections. And we want land rights, we want economic rights, we want political rights. We want to safeguard our next generation. So if they want to, and they had sent Mr. Mishra down, they had sent negotiations down. So why don't they conclude something right now? Because after Lok Sabha we don't know what will happen. So we want to conclude this before the Lok Sabha election starts.
So, any chance of speaking with the Chief Minister or the Home
I will call him up. I'll call up Manik Babu. I'll talk to him. I don't intend to create disruption. I'm just peacefully following the tradition of what Mahatma Gandhi did. I'm peacefully holding a fast to bring attention to the problems of the indigenous people, and I want to help my people. I'm not wanting to hurt anyone. I want to help my people, and I want to bring an early solution. So let's see what the government of India has in mind.
Has the Home Minister tried to contact you, or you
No,
have tried?
I have not spoken to the Home Minister, and neither has he spoken to me. So there is no communication between me and the Home Minister.
Thank you. Thanks.
In the end, the Maharaja said they are not sure what will happen after the Lok Sabha election, which is why they want to pressurize the government and make settlement before the election. Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.